Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password for Etoro account. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, open a web browser and go to etoro.com inside the web browser and you'll end up in the official site. Also make sure to log into your Etoro account by entering its credentials. Once logged in, from the left-hand side menu, scroll down and click Settings. Under the Settings menu, click on the Account tab. Scroll down from the Account tab and make sure you are inside this password text box. Click Change right next to Password and then enter your current password you are using for your Etoro account in the first text box. Once you are done, enter the new password you'd like to change to on the next field. Confirm the password by typing it again in the next field. And finally, click Submit in order to change to a different password. So that's how easy it is to change your password on your Etoro account. Next time logging into your account, you'll now need to enter the newly created password. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.